Today we're going to take a quick look at how to install a Grant aftermarket steering wheel and the installation kit in a classic car. First, you'll remove the old steering wheel using a steering wheel puller like this. These two bolts go into the steering wheel. This bolt presses against the shaft. You turn it and it pulls the steering wheel right off real easily. Then in your steering column you'll have a horn mechanism, something that looks like this. It's got metal on the bottom that rides on this little ground button as you turn the wheel, and this is always ground. So when you hit the horn, this gets grounded and the horn sounds. You take that off and follow the instructions. The kit comes with an item like this, and it says for my application to separate it into these parts and only use this and the spring. It also states in my application to separate this part from here. That snaps right out, and then there's a spring. At the bottom of this hole is this metal. You're going to use the spring they provide, and then this little part will go into that spring and be capped off. So you're only going to use this and that spring to touch that metal. Back to the steering column, we cleaned up that contact point which rides on this. Threw a little dielectric grease on there. That'll spin real nicely on that. The spring they gave us was a little too short. This part goes on here like this. You line this top part up with the little slot right here. And again, the spring they gave us was a little too short. I went to the hardware and got a longer one. That'll go right in there like that. Then this goes into that spring and pushes on it. And then the cap. And this is now ground. If you want to test it, you can get a little tester to go from some piece of metal to here and make sure that that's contacting ground. Again, here's a close-up of that. There's an arrow right here and a slot right here. They need to line up. The spring touches the ground plate back there. You just want to make sure that this is grounded. Next, install the post cover that goes over that plastic cap, and you should see 3 holes line up. 1, 2, 3. Next, you'll mount the steering wheel by running the wire through the one hole. You'll have 3 holes lining up and the nut in the middle. The instructions provided are pretty good. Depending on the car, you'll have a few different horn mechanisms, but this one's mine right here. If your steering wheel's painted, you'll want to make sure you go down to bare metal so that the contact points on the horn button will hit ground when you hit the horn. You'll install the retainer contact ring with 3 shoulder bolts, and it should be loose like this so that it can go forward and backwards when you hit the horn. And you can wind the wire around, plug it into that ground. And don't tighten these too tight because they'll strip the holes. On the horn button, you'll see little indentions. Then the spring gets installed over the shaft. The horn button goes on by lining those indentions up with these cutouts. You'll push it on and twist it to lock it in place. I taped the spring to the middle of the horn button to make it easier to install. Everything worked out pretty well, but when I first tried the horn, it didn't work because the contactor ring that connects to the horn button wasn't touching the bare metal. That's because the outside of this horn button was touching these arms. That center part wasn't completely flat, so I had to flatten it out a bit. Let me show you how I did that. This is the old wheel But what I did with the new one was set it on there like that and just flatten it out real well where the contactor ring hit the bare metal spots in here. So just make sure that this area is nice and flat. I hope you enjoyed this video on installing a Grant steering wheel and installation kit. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.